Welcome back, my friends. Today, we're going to talk about something that can change your life forever. And I don't say that lightly. It's not some complicated system. It's not something only geniuses or millionaires can use. It's something so simple, so ordinary that you might even overlook it. I'm talking about the power of small daily wins. When people think about changing their lives, they often imagine huge transformations. They picture moving to an entirely different country, launching a ginormous business, losing 50 pounds, becoming fluent in another language. But here's the truth. Big transformations are just the result of tiny steps repeated daily. Let's take a deep breath together because this episode is not about dreaming anymore. It's about acting small and winning big. Let me ask you something. Have you ever set a big goal, felt excited, and then slowly you just lose your motivation? Maybe you promised yourself you'd go to the gym every day, or that you'd wake up at 5 a.m. to read, or that you'd study English for 2 hours every day. And then life happened. You got tired, busy, distracted. Before you knew it, the big goal felt impossible. That's why most people quit. Not because the goal is too hard, but because they focus on the mountain instead of the first step. Small wins are powerful because 1, they're achievable. You can do them even on your worst days. 2, they build momentum, like rolling a snowball down the hill. And 3, they create identity. Each small win proves to yourself, I am someone who can succeed. Think about this. If you win the morning by making your bed, drinking water, and reading 1 page, you've already won 3 times before 9 a.m. I once read about a man who wanted to run a marathon. At first, he couldn't even jog around the block. So instead of obsessing over the finish line, he decided on 1 rule. Every day, I will put on my running shoes and step outside. Some days he ran, some days he just walked. Some days he only stood on the porch, but the habit was built. Over months, his stamina grew, and a year later, he ran 26 miles. The big victory came from those tiny daily wins. The lesson with this? Show up first and progress will follow. Science backs this up. Researchers discovered that each time you complete a small goal, your brain releases dopamine, the reward chemical. It doesn't matter if the win is big or small. Even just checking something off a to-do list gives you the dopamine hit. That's why small wins are addictive. They create a cycle. Action, reward, motivation, more action, and repeat. Instead of waiting for big achievement to feel good, you feel good every day. This is how successful people stay consistent. They don't wait for giant results to celebrate. They celebrate the little steps along the way. Let's talk about Sarah. She wanted to learn Spanish. At first, she thought she needed hours every day, but she was a busy mom with kids. So instead, she made a simple commitment: 5 new words a day. She put sticky notes on her fridge, her mirror, and even her car. Day by day, her vocabulary grew. At first, it felt like nothing, but in 1 month, she knew 150 words. In a year, over 1,800 words. Enough to have real conversations. Small wins don't look powerful in the moment until you zoom out. Let's pause here. Grab a notebook or just think about this. What's one area in your life you've been struggling with? Fitness, confidence, learning, or relationships? Now, instead of thinking of the big goal, ask yourself, what is one tiny action I can win at today? If it's fitness, maybe it's 5 push-ups. If it's learning, maybe it's one new word. If it's confidence, maybe it's saying hello to one stranger. Write it down because awareness is the first step to winning. There was a writer who could never finish his novel. He procrastinated for years. One day, he made a deal with himself. I will write one ugly sentence a day. At first, it seemed pointless, but after 30 days, he had 30 sentences. After 100 days, he had chapters. And by the end of the year, he had a book. Small daily wins turned into a dream achieved. Imagine I give you a choice, $1 million today or a penny that doubles every day for 30 days. Most people take the million, but the penny, by day 30, it grows to over $5 million. That's the power of compounding. And your small daily wins work exactly like that. When you plant bamboo, nothing happens for 5 years. You water it, care for it, but no growth above the ground. Then, in the 5th year, it suddenly shoots up 80 feet in one season. Success works the same way. Your daily wins are underground growth. One day, they explode into visual results. Now, here's some practical systems for small wins. 1. Habit stacking. Attach a new habit to an old one. An example of this could be after brushing your teeth, you read one English phrase. 2. The 2-minute rule. If a habit takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. An example would be open your book and read one line. Number 3, track your wins. Use a calendar or a journal. Each small win you mark creates visual proof of progress. Number 4, celebrate often. Don't wait for perfection. Celebrate every win, no matter how small, and give yourself that little dopamine. Number 5, forgive mistakes. Missing one day doesn't matter. Quitting does. Just restart the next day. Pause and write this one down. Big goal. An example would be speak English confidently. What is your big goal? Write this down. Daily win. An example would be learn one phrase per day. Make this something simple that you know you would be able to achieve every day. Trigger. When? After breakfast or before bed? When are you going to do this? And reward? How will I celebrate? A check mark? A smile? Or 5 minutes of music? Design your wins now. Don't wait. Jerry Seinfeld, He built his comedy career by writing one joke every day. His rule? Don't break the chain. James Clear, Atomic Habits. He became world famous by writing 2 articles a week. Small, consistent content, a best-selling book. Warren Buffett. He reads 500 pages a day. It's not dramatic, but over decades, it created unmatched financial wisdom. Stop asking, how long will it take to succeed? Instead, ask, what small win can I achieve today? Big success is slow at first, then sudden. Just like seeds underground, invisible growth is still growth. So, my friends, remember this. You don't need to take giant leaps. You just need to take small steps every day. Drink the water, read the page, do the push-ups, learn the word, write the sentence. Because success is not built in a day. It is built day by day. Your small daily wins will create your big destiny. Now I challenge you. Pick one small win right now. Write it down. Do it today. Even do it right now. And then celebrate it. And tomorrow, repeat. That's how transformation happens. That's how lives change. That's how you will win. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you next time.